Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Facebook reel. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap your profile picture or the three horizontal lines to open the menu and select your profile to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the Reels or Videos tab under your profile section. You'll see a list of your previously posted reels. From here, tap on the Create Reel button. Now, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose videos or pictures from your gallery. You can either record a new video directly using Facebook's camera or upload one from your device. On the editing screen, look for the audio icon on the right side and tap on it. A pop-up will appear. Tap Add Music, and Facebook's music library will open. You can either browse through the suggestions or use the search bar to find a specific song. Once you've found your track, simply tap on it to add it to your reel. After adding the music, tap Next to move to the sharing screen. Now, you can add a caption, hashtags, and when you're ready, tap Share Now to publish your reel. And that's it. Your reel is now live with your chosen music. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.